Yes, even though I have already posted the full opening and closing to this tape on my Google Drive account, and if you want to, you guys can probably go and find the video I have where I posted the link to the Google Drive video. I figured I would just re-show the low pitch black screen def from this tape separately on my YouTube account. Unfortunately, I can't post the full opening and closing to this tape on my YouTube account because there's a good chance that it will probably get taken down by Together Again Productions. However, I can show the low pitch black screen def from this tape separately on my YouTube account, so that's what I'm about to do right now. So yeah, if you want to find the full opening and closing to this tape, just go search for the video where I posted the Google Drive link, and you'll find it there. But so now I'm going to show the low pitch black screen of def from this tape separately in this video. So yeah, and by the way, on this tape, the low pitch black screen of def takes about 2.5 minutes to show up. So I just forwarded the tape till about 20 seconds before the low pitch black screen of def shows up. So yeah, here is the low pitch black screen of def from this tape separately, without the full opening and closing. Alright, so again, if you want to find the full opening and closing to this tape, just search for the link to the Google Drive video that I have posted. Alright, so here's the low pitch black screen of def from this tape separately by itself, without any of the other stuff before it. Alright, enjoy, guys. And by the way, I do have the volume cranked up a bit on this TV because it's kind of low. The black screen def is kind of low on this tape. See if I can. There we go. Kind of just adjusted the tracking a little bit to get rid of the hissing noise. Yep, it lasts till the very end of the tape on this one, so. Alright, that's it. See you guys in my next video.